Oof. Oof. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here at the TERABLE garage, as that's what I'm gonna call it for now, since I really don't know what to call it. But so what we are gonna be doing today that is not that exciting, but it's still something that's gonna be installed for the car, that's gonna help the car in a way, some way. This. But we're gonna be installing these. These are bushings for the cross member that's underneath the engine. So what that's gonna help us with is, this is some wheel hop aid. So basically whenever you do a hard takeoff on these cars, it tends to have a lot of wheel hop. So we're gonna be taking off the old crappy rubber bushings and we're gonna be putting these hard bushings on. But first, before I do any of that,
I gotta clean up the garage a little bit.
So I'm gonna clean up the garage a little bit, make sure everything's nice and clean, and then we'll proceed to putting the bushings on. Finally, we cleaned up the garage and it's looking much better. You can finally walk fine and everything. Everything is nice and organized in the drawers over there. Now, David is on his way, so I'm gonna just wait for him to install the wheel hop aid. So while we wait for David, might as well install this 2J Racing banner. So I'm going to measure the windshield's length and then find the middle, for this, then apply it, and hopefully it looks pretty cool. You guys see the results right now. And bam, there we have it. 2J Racing banner installed, and guess who just got here? David.
What's up, guys?
David has been gone from the camera for quite some time now.
Yeah, I've been occupied.
He's been occupied with work and other shit. But he's back. We're about to get the crossmember bushings on the car. So I'm gonna pass the camera to David and I'm gonna get underneath the car and tell him what size socketing. We got David underneath the car. I guess he's gonna be the guy to switch them out. I already directed him on where they're at. Now he's just gonna try to find them with his flashlight.
That hard plastic makes a big difference, like when it comes to wear and tear.
Yeah.
And absorption.
So we'll get him a socket and then figure out which socket it is and then take one by one off, and then we'll proceed to putting them up.
Now, guys, that Miguel got the first bolt off. Update, Miguel.
Okay, here's the bolt. We're taking one by one off because David has a jack in his work garage, so we technically don't have a jack. So. Okay, here's
In this case, you could break it with the flat head.
I didn't break it.
I did.
But this is the old one. Cool. So the thin one goes on top, and then this one goes in the bottom like that, as so, and then you screw it on. Holy
wow. It's dirty. She's a dirty little girl.
No, and I'm saying that it's gonna be sitting inside the garage for like another week because it's getting wrapped. Get him 1 second.
Anyway, but one thing I did notice that I haven't been here in a while is that finally Miguel actually cleaned the garage for once. Look at it, it's clean. It's organized, got everything on the shelves, all this open space featuring the bike, my Caro with. If you guys ever see me down the road, please follow TERABLE. But Miguel was constipated.
Pause on this project because David has.
Yeah, we actually came in conclusion that we're actually gonna need the other tools that I borrowed. So we're gonna put a pause on this and we'll finish up the next day.
All right, so we're continuing the install on the crossmember bushings. So we didn't. The reason why we didn't continue was because we didn't have the tools. Because David took the tools. So now that we have the tools back and we have a breaker bar and the jack, we're able to support the crossmember and not have it fall on my head while I'm underneath the car and have the whole engine fall on top of me. I mean, even though it has the motor mounts on top, but not the point. So let's get those crossmember bushings on and then we'll be set. All right, I finally got the front one on, so now I just have to tighten it up. And let me tell you guys, it was a freaking hard mission to do this, but I got it on. So now let me tighten it up and then we'll start the rear ones. Alright, so we finally got all the cross member bushings on. Yeah, I did. Yeah, David doesn't know because he was on his phone. Yeah, so I already got all those on, so thank you so much for watching. If you guys do want to see more B15 content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.